This is Heather with H&W Machine, and I'm going to do a quick video on the adjusting worm shaft that helps tilt your head left and right. And this is it. This is one of them. And that is located on the back of your quill housing assembly, and it goes right here. Now this one is a bit bent out of shape. As you can see, it's going this way, so we need to replace it. So you order another one, part number 1097, and this is the one that shows up. Now you can see there is a difference. This one is much longer than this one. We get a lot of calls on this, and people are afraid that it won't work. It will work, and as you can see, this is hard to show you. These are the same length. This is the same length. This is the same length. This is the only thing that's longer. So what we are going to do is take this shaft and cut the end off of it. And I have a pin right here to show you. We're going to cut it about right there. All we need in order to cut this is a vise, Dremel with a cutting wheel on it, and if you want to make it look all pretty on the end, a sanding, I don't know what you call that.
Wheel thing.
A sander. Alright. Vise on the Dremel and go to town. Now that we have it off, you can see it's not the prettiest job in the world, but it works, and that's why we're going to go over here and smooth it out on the sander. I like to sand a little taper into it. There we go. Again, not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll work. I need to clean it out, but it'll fit right down in there, just like the old one did. And that is how you modify a brand new one to work with your old one.